Think you know ancient Greece? Think again. Here are 5 facts about daily life you won't learn in a textbook. Their diet was way simpler than you think. Forget elaborate feasts. Daily meals were built around what they called the Mediterranean triad: wheat, olives, and grapes. Meat was a rare luxury, saved for special occasions and religious festivals. The ancient Greeks had a single belief that guided their health and fitness: a sound mind and a sound body. For male citizens, physical fitness was a part of their education. Not just for athletes, they trained in public gymnasiums to stay strong for both war and everyday life. The Greeks also had a number 1 all-purpose product: olive oil. They used it for cooking, bathing, and even as a fuel for their lamps. Talk about a multi-purpose product. In a democracy like Athens, public speaking wasn't a hobby, it was a superpower. The ability to persuade was essential for male citizens who debated laws and politics in the agora. If you couldn't talk, you couldn't lead. And finally, they loved board games. When they weren't debating or training, they played strategy games like pastimes, a game similar to checkers. It just proves that even ancient civilizations needed a way to unwind and have fun. For more incredible facts about history, subscribe to Threads of Great History.